In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of apps not opening on your Windows 11. So it's a very quick and easy fix. First, go to search, type in PowerShell, and then right click, run as administrator. Click yes. Okay, now you need to type in this command and run it. Just click enter. So I will give this command in the link in the video description. So this will basically reinstall all the apps and fix all the issues that you're facing. So don't worry, this will take some time. So just give it a few minutes. Also, if you see any red text, that's completely normal. Just let it run. So that's totally normal. Just wait for it. Okay, now the command has finished running successfully. So this is totally normal. Now you can go ahead and close this and you can open your apps, and this should fix the problem for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.